Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about the Cryptocom land sale. I want to talk about CRO Coin price, where I think the overall market is headed, and I want to talk to you about some NFTs that I'm looking into. So, guys, let's hop into this video. Guys, we are almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So, let's do this. All right, guys. So, first off, I want to start off with this. So over on Twitter, I tweeted that, how is SBF hanging out in first class right now? How? Because, guys, like, it's just crazy to see how this is all unfolding. The man comes out after the whole collapse and says he only has $100,000 in his name. He goes and says that he's got no money. He all the user funds are gone. And then he gets $250 million dollar bail to get bailed out of jail, which it's coming to the front that his parents paid for it, apparently, but his parents also were receiving money from FTX, and they were receiving user funds from FTX. So, it's just ridiculous, guys. It's just crazy to see how this is all evolving, and they were saying that he's going to be on house arrest, but he's flying first class. Just hanging out with his cup of orange juice. Pretty funny, and honestly, pretty upsetting. Let's be honest here. But the reason why I'm talking about this is just because it just goes to show that if you got the right connections, you're probably not going to be held accountable. Let me know in the comment section below if you think he's actually going to go to jail or prison, and if so, how many years until he's fully convicted? I'm very, very curious. So let's move on. All right. So I tweeted this out for my Crypto.com loaded lions and for the holders of the Dune Goons. I like that hashtag. I think it's pretty funny. For people that purchased the land that just got revealed the past couple days. So each land NFT you own will grant you a plot to build your business. The land NFT's rarity will unlock different numbers of slots to build the businesses and affect the amount of passive income that can be generated. You can construct gyms, banks, music stores, and much more, as well as upgrade the buildings to earn more gold. That's pretty cool. I like the idea of that. It will be up to you to decide how to expand and multiply your buildings. The players will be with the highest income at the end of each competitive season. Emphasis on that. Each competitive season will be ranked on the leaderboard. The higher you rank, the greater your rewards. You can use rewards to gain an edge in the next season or exchange it for CRO. I love that you can get CRO from this, guys. It's going to be a play-to-earn game. I hear a lot of people out there right now saying that play-to-earn is dead, but it's the bear market, guys. Everything is dead. If you really want to put it that way, people say Bitcoin's dead in the bear market. Everything's dead in the bear market, but it'll come back. There will be another boom. Last cycle, or I guess you could say in the bull market of this cycle, everybody was jumping into the play-to-earn games, and they were rallying. And I think it was the first exposure to the metaverse at the scale that we've ever seen. We haven't seen the metaverse emerge into the markets as we did in the previous bull run. And I think that this next bull run is going to be 10 times bigger. I think it's going to be much bigger. And I'm very curious to see how that goes. So you know what I did? I went out and I bought a First Frontier land piece. I bought the Molten Caverns, which is the legendary level of the First Frontier land. Because I'll be honest with you guys, I was a Dune Goon. All I got was Dunes, the lowest level, and I was like, you know what? I read that and I saw. I'm like, I probably should get a higher level piece of land for the Crow fam and for so Crypto Kip and I can build a awesome place for everybody to stop by. Hopefully, you can do that in the game where you can actually go to different people's land. We'll have to see. We'll have to wait and find out. But I thought that $965 was a great deal for this, and so I purchased this up. I also just bought this random CRONOS store. I thought he was sick. So if you guys know anything about Solana NFTs, I've been exploring this ecosystem because, honestly, the Solana ecosystem for NFTs is fantastic. I really want to see Crypto.com somehow get a little bit closer to the Solana ecosystem because the Solana NFT ecosystem is just, the community is massive. Don't get me wrong now. The lower lines community is very strong, but it could be at such a higher scale of strength when you compare it to these other chains. Honestly, like I would say that Solana's NFT ecosystem is stronger than Ethereum, to be quite frank with you. But so let's look over at the CRO Coin price, guys, because we are looking good. We have a little pump going on the Crypto.com price, which is fantastic, guys. Look at that. I love to see that. We have bounced off of the support, and we are up about 10% off the support. The support being at the 5.5 cent mark, and our resistance will be about 10 cents. Guys, we are bouncing off this. You know, I've been saying in the past couple of videos what I didn't want to see was this grinding and coming down, and what I did want to see was something like this. And we're definitely headed in that direction. We're definitely headed in that direction. Guys, we have a monthly candle close happening very, very shortly for crypto, for Bitcoin, and the other currencies. I'm really curious to see, you know, when we have a monthly candle close for Bitcoin, that usually indicates a big move. That usually is what happens. Usually there's a volatile swing. It's just how it goes. And we also are coming up on a yearly candle close, which is really exciting. Let's look over the crypto heat map. So we are having a relatively sideways day, but we are having CRO Coin pumping, guys. I love to see it. I love to see it when there's a sea of blood and you see some green and it's your coin. It's fantastic, guys. I love to see it. So let's look over at Bitcoin, because we have about 2 days until we have a weekly candle close, and it has been 410 days. Every day it's going up, guys. Every day longer is closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, and closer to replicating this 370 days from previous cycle. We had a peak out on December 18th, 2017, and the bottom of December 10th, 2018. 370 days. Right now, guys, it's been 410 days since the previous peak of the Bitcoin cycle, which is crazy. It seems just like yesterday, honestly. The time has been flying by. This box is growing, guys, and we are getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving. 365 days leading to the Bitcoin halving. We are going to rally, guys. We're going to rally. It's not financial advice, but based on statistics and probability, that's what it seems is going to happen. And I will say that we are getting closer and closer. And, you know, we have a monthly candle close happening in 7 days. 7 days, guys. And we also have a yearly candle close. I'm really eager to watch closely and see how that plays out. And I'll be right there with you guys when it's playing out. I'm going to make videos for you, and we're going to talk about it. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider liking and subscribing and becoming a member. We have lots of membership perks. We do live streams every Tuesday and Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can get lots of private videos from Crypto Kip and I, and we can look into your coins. We can do lots of different things. There's lots of perks for becoming a member. So, guys, if you stuck around this far, please like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.